So what does a luxury property on 1 acre look like in the gated community in Las Cruces, New Mexico? Let's go find out. We're at the home now. You saw the drive, beautiful gated community in Gray Fox community. Let's see the house right away. You can see this is part of the home over here. 3-car garage, and I have a surprise for you in the garage. This is a beautiful 6-bedroom home. Yes, you heard right, over 3,494 square feet. In the Gray Fox. Where is Gray Fox located? Well, Gray Fox is a community that is located in Las Cruces, New Mexico. Very private, very nice community. Let's go inside. This is a luxury home. Okay, so as soon as we step in, we see these really nice chandeliers. This is like a formal dining, or it could be a separate living room, living space. And then here is a living room. Really nice fireplace right there. Really nice large doors, a lot of natural light in this house. Let's go right into it. So this is the main door. We walk in straight into the kitchen, as you can see. The kitchen combines functionality with modern design, and it offers a very generous space to cook. Love that it's hooded. A lot of countertops for your wine or drinks, whatever your favorite beverage. Very large island, as you can see. A lot of space for stools back here all around. If you like to host parties or family, then this would be it. You see the difference in the cabinets? 2 different tones, which is really nice. If you like to lounge around like I do in the kitchen while somebody's cooking, then you can easily set something up here. You can be cooking and talking with the family and just, telling stories, whatever you like. I can totally picture myself here, waking up in the morning, drinking my coffee, just sitting out there. There's a gazebo. Guys, don't leave. There's so much to see. Let's go. Remember, this is a 6-bedroom. So let's start off in this one, bedroom number 6. I like this bedroom because it does have, it is a shared bathroom. So this bedroom shares the restroom with this next bedroom. And it has a full bath. There it is. Tile all on the top. Love the nichos. And it's shared with this bedroom number 5. So this is, let's call this the north wing, right? Plenty of linen closets. There we go. Storage. I love bedroom number, what is this? 6'5", bedroom number 4, because it has its own bathroom. As you can see, it has its own bathroom here. So anyone who has this bathroom has a full bathroom, and it's same as this one. This bedroom on this side of the wing also has a full bathroom. Now, how many houses have this? Not that many. Look at this. The property has around 3,494 square feet, 6 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms on 1.31 acres. This home is really close to Mesilla Plaza. All the amenities you need. Mesilla Plaza is like 15 minutes away, right? You have the university another 15 minutes away. I mean, guys, the way this home is situated with so much acreage is a fantastic property to acquire. So, hey, if you have not subscribed, I know this means nothing to you, but please subscribe, tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current market here in Las Cruces, New Mexico. My name is Cesar and my wife is Tanya, and we would love to help you make a smooth move to Las Cruces. All right, we only saw half of the house. Let's go see the rest. So as you can see, very good open floor plan design for everyday living and entertaining, which is fantastic. So how many bedrooms does this house have? Guys, 6 bedrooms. This is bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2. Here is your half bath for guests. That is the garage. We'll go see the garage right now. But I like that you can come in here and put your shoes away. Laundry room is right here. It's a good sized laundry room. Love that it has sink, cabinets, washer and dryer. Did you notice the tile work? Really nice. Now let's go into the primary bedroom. Additional storage. The primary bedroom, it is a good size with a nice size fan. And then we have the primary bathroom with a really nice large soaker tub. Double sinks. Here's the other sink. Let me know in the comments, guys, if you like what you're seeing. Primary closet, good size. I don't know. You guys tell me, is that a big enough closet? You can put shoes everywhere here, right? Yeah, very good size. I love the skylight. Did you guys even notice the skylight? Really nice skylight. A lot of natural light in this home. Now, guys, let's go to the garage. Why do I want to show you the garage? Well, there is an additional, this is for 2 cars, for 3 cars, and look at this. Yes, your own sauna for about, I don't know, maybe 4 people can squeeze in here. Maybe more, just depends. But it's all part of the home. Hey guys, why don't we finish by going outside in the backyard. We'll do another little drive with the community so you guys can check out the community. Beautiful home out here in Las Cruces, New Mexico. A lot of good features. So let's go outside. Let's go through the kitchen. Now, what I love about this house is that you're always going to have shade, not just because this is covered, but the sun rises on this end and sunsets that way. So You know, by 2 o'clock, 3, you're already gonna have so much shade back here. And then look at all the perennials. Let me try to zoom in. For added privacy, there is a wall there, but it looks beautiful. Now that is a street, but don't worry, it's only traffic for the people that actually live back there. So it's a lot of farmland. You do have a really nice gazebo there. I don't know what you put there. You tell me in the comments, let me know. I mean, you still have a lot of space. You can build another garage. If you want to put several cars or whatever you like, you can go ahead and do that. There is an entrance on that side. It's a gate. You also have a basketball court right here, in case you like the ball. And here you go. You do also have mountains over there. And this beautiful gated community. I love that back here there's all pecan trees. It's a really nice property. All this is all pecan trees in the back. Hey guys, let me know in the comments, do you guys like the property? This house is a beautiful home. This house is listed for $798,900. So it is a luxury home. You do get a lot of house. Over 3,400 square feet of this beautiful home. High ceilings. I don't know if I showed the skylight. So, hey guys, let me know. Would you buy this house? Yes or no? Let me know in the comments. Also, if you guys have any questions, please reach out to us. We're always helping people. We're not too busy to take your calls. If you see on our calendar that is booked, give us a call anyways. We'll make time for you in the afternoon. We know a lot of you work. So, all right, guys, let's go for the community drive. Hey guys, because this is in a gated community, it does have an HOA of $85 per month. So if you have any questions, please give us a call, send us a text, shoot us an email. We'd love to answer any of your questions or help you make a smooth move to Las Cruces. We'll see you on the next tour.